low speed, go ahead. Go for a nice low frequency with my human oscilloscope. Very good. That's okay. Very good, very good. Okay. Now, my assistant.
You know it's darker than everyone else's, so.
Make a mark. Make a mark at the first mountain there. All right, we're just actually, you know what? We're going to measure the whole thing. How many hertz is this wave?
Hold up.
Can you draw it with me? Can you count it out loud for me?
4.5.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5 hertz. So is this a high frequency or pitch or a low frequency or pitch? Low frequency. Very, very good. Excellent job, everyone.